Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar with General Pipe Cleaners, talking about the JM-1450. You know, we say that small is the next big thing in jetters. And the reason for that is that we're finding that half to three-quarters of the grease that's coming up today's world is within about 10-15 feet of a kitchen sink down the drain. This will get at it. We have a hose that will go down 1.25 to 3-inch lines. So all you have to do is position this next to the kitchen sink, hook it up underneath the sink for water supply, go to work. If you're in an industrial setting, this has 150 feet of 1/4-inch hoses you can also use for 2 to 4-inch lines. So it gives you a lot of latitude in situations where you can't use a gasoline motor. This will work with anything in a 15-amp breaker environment. So small is the next big thing. JM-1450, very, very useful tool from General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.